Hello everyone, this is Ida from Retekess company. Today I will show you our new arrival, TD015. And here, this is all the items. And this is HDMI cable, and this is the remote control, and this is host receiver, and the antenna of it, and this is the two adapters. We will send the items based on your country, so no need to worry about the adapter. And this is the keypad. And now I will show you how to set the items. And we'll screw the antenna on the host receiver. And this is the HDMI cable. This is the HDMI port. I will connect it. And these are two adapters for the items. When we set it, we need to mention that this is for the receiver case, and this is for the keypad. Power port, and this is the power port too. Now I will power it. This is a TV screen, and there are HDMI ports in it. So I just need to connect it with the items. HDMI port. Yeah, this is our logo. The keypad. This one is a waterproof type. And now I will show you how to set it. We can skip it and do the next time. And this is a default screen, and if you want to change it for the other type, you need to set it by yourself. And now you can see that about this logo, you can change it by yourself, and the picture you can also change it by yourself too. And when you press the number will show on the display in time. And now I will show you how to set it. You can see that this is the remote control. When you set it, you just need to press this key, set key, and you need to focus it on the receiver so you can get the signal. You can see this is the credit row. You can set it by yourself too, and there is no words limited, so you can just enter the words that you need. I will set it. Yeah. There are basic setting, bullet screen, and volume setting, call setting, custom setting, and enter the boot page. About the system setting, in our update version, it will disappear, but you can set it from the keypad. So today I will just introduce the sixth setting, except the system setting. Now I will enter the base setting. Just need to press the confirm key. Okay. Basic setting. And the model, there are 12 default model in this system. You can choose it by yourself. 12. I will enter this one and press the confirm key. And And this is the next is auto clear. It is for the minute from 0 to 60 minutes. You can set it by yourself. I will choose it as 1. And this is the loop display. It is for the seconds. You can set it by yourself. The advertisement setting, we just mentioned that the time needs more than 3 seconds, so you can set it by yourself, but need more than 3. And this is the switch time for the seconds. This is the speed time. And this is the credit roll. You can set it by yourself and just need to, you can operate on this place. Okay. Yeah. When you press the OK, you can set it by yourself and set the words. R, D. Any words you can set it. There is no limit for the words. When you set it up, you just need to press the back key and save. And this is the screen type. There are 7 types in all in the default. If you want to set it your own type, you can connect our service people. Seven screen in all. You can choose any type that you need. I will choose one. Yeah, just like this. This is the word that we just set. And this is volume setting. System volume setting. You can set it by yourself. And this is video volume setting. As we all know, this system supports the advertisement. You can use the USB to broadcast the video or the music or the picture. So it is a good feature of this system. Code setting. Code setting for the window, such as you have many windows, you can choose a number by yourself. And this is the custom setting here. As we all know, there are 12 pieces default in the system. If you want to set it by yourself, you can set it here. Just type the words that you need. And save. Save. Yeah, this is all for the setting. I will back to the home page. And this screen is the one that we just choose. And the word is that we just